Alright, today we're playing a game called Woodcutter. How many's that? That's what, 21 levels is it? That's 7, 14, yeah. Okay. I guess we'll do 7 at a time. Hello, our job is to cut wood. The stages are planning and cutting. Plan how the mold should fit the wood. Okay. Great, now let's cut. Position the laser and press the button to cut. Needs to be pretty good. Okay. Nice. Okay. So the closer to the thing you get, the better. Like the more janky your cuts, the lower the score. You want a good score, one would imagine. Okay. That is gonna have to do. That's a cut. Very cool. And we go over here. Then there. And just fix that one off a bit. That's looking okay. Very good. Not too bad. I'm digging this game so far. It's logic, it's cutting things, it's logical destruction. That's awesome. Everybody loves destroying things. Ooh, now that's a tricky one. That's how many cuts we get? Is that what that means? Okay. I'm gonna wanna cut that first then. Okay, so that's our first cut. Then we move it over here. Is our second cut, which has that shape. Cool. And let's get our cube. Then we can use 2 more cuts. Okay. Then 1 more, which needs to be like a 45 degree. That's not 45 degrees at all, I'm crazy. It's like, yeah. That was 100, nice. Very good, we did it with our big brains. That's gotta be something. Okay. Almost happy with it. It's gotta be pixel perfect. Okay. Alright. And that's that shape, then we get one more cut. That isn't... Oh, I see. And that is very good. We're just doing our best, and it's paying off. That's what I like to see. We can do this. That's good. I like that. Okay. This is gonna be a lot of cuts. Might just so happen to need to cut across here first. There. Okay. That is a nice cut. Just micro adjustments. And these 3 more cuts on this part. I think that'll be okay. A little bit there. That's all good. I think that's good. That wasn't perfectly straight. I would not give myself perfect scores for that. If the game does, I'll take it, but... you know. That's not good. Apparently it's still 100. And I just used 2 cuts here. And then we cut that. I don't think that was... okay, that was minimum number of cuts. Just had to use a lot on that one. Eee, we get so many cuts for this one, but there's also a lot to cut. Maybe that there. That there. Don't think I like how that looks. Okay, what if... see, that doesn't look right. It's just not it. I don't know. Let's try. Can do that maybe. Though because of the flat edges there, it'll probably be better to have them there somewhere. I'll try this. Let's start with that. Okay, and then I'll go like that. Is that good? Not quite. That's better. Cool. And there's just technically 3 more cuts to be done here. Okay. Good stuff. Then last cut for these 2 bits. I like that. You gotta use so many cuts for these bits though, which I'm not a fan of. Let's do that. And then that. Now we've got 3 cuts for this piece, which should still leave us with cuts to spare. That looks good to me. Very good. And there's that piece. If it's not good enough for you, you can just sand off the excess. There's teensy tiny adjustments, but you need it to be pretty darn good. Okay, let's get that. We've got 3 more cuts. And then we should be all sunshine and rainbows. Okay. Very good. And last one. I wasn't done. How is that 100%? It's got that whole... Fine. I'll allow it. But hey, last level for today. Where does this go? That could go on a corner. That could go elsewhere. That doesn't leave anywhere for this guy. see, one... So, we'll be cutting it close. I'm not gonna count out all of them, as I was considering doing, just because it'll take too long. So instead we just chop away till we get something we like. Go through there. And that is a good spot. Now that piece is all good. So let's see, what do we got? That's 2 cuts. That's 1 cut. Which leaves us with 3. We'll only need 2, so we should be fine. Okay. Is that 100%? Very good. Use 2 cuts here, just 1 there. Do that. And then just a little bitty bit here. Cool. Okay, and then we've got 2 more cuts to use. Which we'll use 1 there, and then 1 across. Should give us another perfect score. Yes, it does. Could have done that with less cuts apparently, but hey, that's good enough for me. And that's good enough for part 1. So, that was Woodcutter part 1. If you liked it, like it. If you have any suggestions for other games I should play, leave that in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a skedaddle. See ya.